All right, Todd's back. Full forecast. I'm not quite at the time where I need to put the car undercover at night, but as I went out this morning, I'm like, might not have been a bad idea last night to do that.
To just put it in the garage?
Yeah, just to not have to deal with frost and such.
Yeah. Did you have to scrape this morning?
No, I just sucked it up. A little wiper fluid. I can see fine.
I know.
I got a little hole there. There's nobody on the road.
I mean,
at
it's not like
2:30.
it's that hard to get rid of frost,
There's
right?
nobody out there at that point. So.
But, for some who have to scrape for a couple of minutes, whatever. I mean, we're getting used to it. It's been frosty like all week. All right, here to look at the temperatures in southern and western Maine. We've got 31 in Portland, and we're dipping into the 20s in almost all locations right now. Sanford seems to be the cold spot. Yes, 24. Berlin, New Hampshire is 25. You got a bunch of 27s there. Eastern Maine's not quite as cold as southern Maine. A little bit more wind last night kept the atmosphere stirred just enough. And northern Maine has some cloud cover. With that said, our numbers are still dropping, and we've got another hour and a half before sunup, or even longer than that, actually. So we could get into some frosty spots like Herman. Herman's 29 right now, so there you go. High pressure's over the northeast. The chill is back, but this high gives us a nice bright day, quiet one. Tomorrow will not be that. It's going to be stormy with this one coming in, a line of heavy downpours and some gusty wind for the coastline. Bright and quiet for your morning. The bite is back, though. You need a couple of layers, maybe a hat, and frost likely on stuff. Lots of sunshine middle of the day. Still not a lot of wind out there. I've loved that recently. That crisp feel, though, still hangs around, so it's still kind of jacket weather. Afternoon, still mainly clear, still dry. Clouds, though, advancing in late this evening, and as you can see, they'll be thickening up, and that's preceding the storm's arrival. High temperatures close to where they should be. Normal high is 50. And we should do that in Augusta, our capital, just shy of it in Bangor, and just above it in Lewiston and in Portland. The mountains and north will be cooler today with temps in the 40s. All right, tomorrow we wake up, should be dry, some scattered showers move in during the morning. There's the wall of water with the frontal boundary working in from the west. It pours in the afternoon, it pours in the evening, but then it stops and it shuts down for the weekend. We get into this dry patch here on Saturday. Looks like a good day with partly sunny skies, temps in the 50s. And then the secondary front comes through Saturday night, again with some briefly intense rain showers. And then following that, an even chillier air mass for Sunday, but also a mainly dry one. So the good news here is from the weekend, your daylight hours will be rain-free. So that's great. Again, Saturday night, there'll be some intense showers, some brief ones coming through. Early next week does have potential for a storm to develop all over our coastal waters. The jet stream is going to buckle here early next week and give rise to a storm. Question is, how close to the coast does it form? If it forms close to us, we could end up with a pretty big second rainmaker here on Monday, so we'll keep an eye on that. This is the first one, though, tomorrow afternoon, 1 inch to 1.5 inches possible. That'll lead to some temporary drainage issues, especially with all the leaves covering up the drains. And some wind for the coastline could lead to some isolated to even scattered power outages with gusts around 40 miles per hour tomorrow afternoon and early evening. Gale warnings up for tomorrow, seas 2 to 4 feet, and northeast winds get a little gusty this afternoon, 20 knots or so. Sunny, crisp out there for Veterans Day, 50. Tomorrow the rain develops. It'll be heavy in the afternoon. We get a little wind for the coastline too, 50. Partly sunny on Saturday, mid-50s. Showers Saturday night, and then dry and cool on Sunday. Chance for rain on Monday. We'll keep a close eye on that. And then the middle of next week, it's breezy and cool with temps in the 40s to around 50, although turning sunnier by Wednesday.
Yeah, highs with 4s though.
Yeah. We're getting to that point of the year.
I know. I was just trying to delay as long as possible.
We did. We did a really darn good job doing it.
All right. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.